Oh, okay.
What else is in there? More orange.
This is another one.
Does it work fitting up Papa's other hand?
I'll open it. What is it? What is it?
Pull it out.
You can dump it upside down too. There.
What's that? What is it?
What
What's
is
that, Maggie? You know what that
What
is.
is this?
It's a potato.
It's an apple.
That's right.
Apple. Silly Granny.
Hey, where's your stocking? Where's your stocking? Do you have anything else in your stocking?
She is a comedian.
You want to open?
It was something.
Maggie, there's more stuff in here.
What's in there? Dump it out.
Upside
Dump it
down.
upside down.
What's happening upside down?
Shake it.
Shake, shake, shake.
You're doing it.
Take it
You gotta let go of one side though.
this way. Hold it right here.
Let go of that side and just hold
Now,
on to the toe.
just hold it and shake it. Oh!
Ooh. Ow!
What are those? Those fruit snacks?
Yeah.
Nemo fruit snacks.
It's a dog.
What are those?
Oh.
Animal crackers?
Cactus. It's a dog. It's a dog.
Thank you, Maggie.
What's
More animal crackers.
I love some.
You want some? Okay, you want to finish open your stocking? You can have some.
Here, what's that right there? There's more.
What's that?
Another fruit snack? Is that another Nemo fruit snack? You want to put it up here in Papa's hand? Okay, I got it for you.
And now what's
I'll set them right here.
Is the stocking empty?
No.
I think it is, but look, you have some presents on the couch from your stocking.
I'll open that.
I opened it.
I'll open them.
You are. That's good.
Eat me though.
Amy's sleeping, but she should be awake soon.
Who is that?
Bob. Bob.
Can Papa read you that book?
Show Maggie how the book works.
Papa found you that book. Can I read it for you?
Oh, Papa. That was in her stocking.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's right. Well, but I told Santa Claus about it.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Christmas.